Parasitic arthropods, Insecta. Class Insects. Insects have three body sections: the head, the thorax, and abdomen. Three pairs of legs all attached to the thorax, one pair of antennae, one pair or two pairs of wings. The mouth parts of insects are elaborate. There are two different kinds of metamorphosis in insect, the simple and complete. Class Insecta have four medical important orders. Number 1, Order Anoplura or lice. Number 2, Order Siphonaptera or fleas. Number 3, Order Hemiptera or bugs. Number 4, Order Diptera or mosquitoes and flies. Order Anoplura or lice. Body is flattened dorso-ventrally. Lice are wingless insects with short legs. Order Anoplura displays incomplete metamorphosis. Pediculus humanus, the head louse. Morphology: the adult louse is 2 to 5 mm in size. Male is smaller than female. These are insects that can't jump or fly. Their style of movement relies on 6 legs, each of which ends in a claw which can grasp human hair. The head louse found on humans is specific to people. It can be contracted from the family dog, cat, or any other animal. Mammals and birds can have lice, but they are specific. Pediculus humanus life cycle. Female louse lays about 10 eggs daily. Eggs are cemented to hairs or to fibers of clothes. Eggs hatch in about 1 week. Nymphs feed on blood and pass through 4 instars. Adult louse emerge in about 2 weeks. Transmission of head lice. Host-to-host direct contact from someone who is infested. By wearing infested clothing, hats, scarves, coats, hairy bones, etc. By using infested combs or brushes, by lying on a bed, couch, or carpet that has recently been in contact with an infested person. Order Siphonaptera or fleas. About 2,500 species. Most are parasites of mammals, only approximately 100 species on birds. Temporary obligate parasites, blood feeding exclusively as adult. Flea life cycle. Most fleas have 4 life stages: the egg, larva, pupa, in a cocoon, and adult. This diagram shows the typical life cycle of fleas. The life cycle of fleas can be very quick or last many months to years depending on the environmental conditions throughout the life stages. Order Hemiptera or true bugs. Features: piercing and sucking mouth parts. When present, 2 pairs of wings, hind pair reduced. Incomplete life cycle. Immature stages, the nymphs. Nymphs are mostly small wingless replicas of adults. No pupal stage of lesser medical importance. Most are phytophagous or predators of arthropods. Few bloodsuckers. 2 families. Family Semicidae or bedbugs. Identification: small apricot-colored and wingless. Circular body and flattened extensions of prothorax behind eyes. Medical importance: most species are ectoparasitic on rodents, poultry, birds, and bats. 3 species parasitic on humans. Cymex lectularius occurs worldwide. Do not appear to vector any pathogens. Family Reduviidae or assassin bugs. Identification: large robust bugs. Ambush predators of arthropods. Strong recurved beak for biting. Inject paralytic toxin to subdue prey. Bite every painful to humans. No species in South America usually bite mammals. Medical importance: South American subfamily Triatominae or kissing bugs feed on human and animal. transmit Chagas disease. Triatominae or kissing bugs live in woodland and forest habitats. Triatoma infestans colonize human dwellings, live in ceilings, cracks, and crevices, etc. Behave like bedbugs and attack humans at night. Spread protozoans which cause Chagas disease, American trypanosomiasis. Most notorious species are Triatoma infestans and Rhodnius prolixus. Order Diptera or flies. The key distinguishing adult structure: 2 wings. All flies are holometabulous, having a complex metamorphosis: the egg, larvae, pupa, and adult. The habitat of larvae stage is basically aquatic or semi-aquatic, and they have adapted to live in very challenging environments. Meiasis defined the invasion of organs and tissues of humans or other vertebrate animals with dipterous larvae, which for at least a period feed upon the living or dead tissue, or, in the case of intestinal meiasis, on the host's ingested food. Musca domestica. Housefly is a medium-sized fly, 6 to 10 millimeters in length. The female is generally slightly larger than the male. Distribution: cosmopolitan. Morphology: adult fly has a gray color, 4 dark stripes, and red eyes. Life cycle: eggs are laid into masses of decaying organic substances, garbage, refuse, or manure. Larvae hatch in 6 to 24 hours and feed on organic matter. They molt 2 times, giving 3 larval stages. The 3rd larva pupates inside the larval skin. The adult emerge after a few days. The whole cycle takes about 1 week. Medical importance of housefly: indirect mechanical transmission of microorganisms as typhoid, poliomyelitis, and bacillary dysentery, eggs of helminths and cysts of protozoa. Accidental meiasis: control, sanitary disposal of refuses, garbage, and manure. Breeding media by dumping, burning, or application of insecticides. Control of adult flies by screening or space spraying of insecticides. Mosquitoes. Blood feeding. Only females take blood. Males feed on plant sugars. Disease transmission. Some species of Anopheles transmit human malaria and Wuchereria bancrofti. Some species of Culex transmit Wuchereria bancrofti, encephalitis, and Rift Valley fever. The life cycle of the mosquito. No matter what their preferred breeding habitat, all mosquitoes undergo the same 4-stage life cycle: the egg, larva, pupa, and adult, with the larva and pupa stages always being aquatic. Thank you for watching.